The 2026 Chevrolet Equinox SUV introduces a refreshed and modern approach to design, and one of the most noticeable areas of improvement is the front bumper. At first glance, the bumper establishes the vehicle's bold identity, blending strength, elegance, and aerodynamic efficiency into one cohesive piece. For drivers who care about both appearance and functionality, the bumper is engineered with precision, ensuring it not only enhances the SUV's styling, but also improves airflow around the vehicle. The broad stance is accentuated by sharp sculpted lines that connect seamlessly to the hood and fenders, giving the Equinox a commanding presence on the road. At the center, the grille is integrated smoothly into the bumper's design, framed by chrome accents and surrounded by sleek air intakes that aren't just cosmetic, but serve cooling purposes for performance. The balance between aesthetics and practicality makes the front bumper of the 2026 Equinox a highlight feature. Focusing on the front right side, this part of the bumper reflects the same level of sophistication and detailed craftsmanship. The side contours are sharper than previous models, allowing the Equinox to appear more aggressive and athletic, while still maintaining Chevrolet's signature family-friendly appeal. The front right corner houses carefully positioned fog lamps with LED technology, providing excellent visibility in difficult driving conditions. The bumper's design here ensures that the lamps are recessed enough to avoid damage from minor impacts, while still shining bright when needed. This side also incorporates aerodynamic channels, redirecting airflow smoothly along the vehicle's profile to improve fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise. For owners who appreciate durability, the materials used are impact-resistant composites designed to withstand the everyday challenges of urban streets and highways. Chevrolet has managed to blend strength and refinement in a way that makes the front right portion of the bumper both visually appealing and highly functional. On the front left side, the design remains symmetrical, reinforcing the Equinox's bold and balanced look. This side mirrors the functional elements seen on the right, but continues to emphasize the SUV's wide stance and road-ready toughness. The seamless connection between the bumper and the wheel arch gives the front left corner a flowing, cohesive design. Here too, LED fog lamps and integrated sensors make the bumper not just a protective element, but also inside the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox SUV, the dashboard takes center stage as a perfect blend of modern technology, user-friendly design, and premium styling. Chevrolet has crafted this space to feel both practical and luxurious, offering drivers and passengers an elevated experience. The layout is wide and uncluttered, with soft-touch materials, subtle stitching, and metallic accents that create a sophisticated atmosphere. At the heart of the dashboard is a large, high-resolution infotainment screen that integrates seamlessly into the design. This display supports the latest Chevrolet MyLink system, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving drivers easy access to navigation, music, and apps with simple touch or voice commands. Directly in front of the driver, the fully digital. The back bumper of the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox SUV is designed with the same balance of style, safety, and strength as the front, completing the vehicle's modern look while ensuring maximum functionality. At first glance, the rear bumper creates a wide, grounded appearance that highlights the Equinox's SUV proportions. Chevrolet has paid attention to every detail, ensuring the back bumper isn't just a piece of protective equipment, but also a key contributor to the SUV's overall personality. Smooth curves blend with sharp lines to match the flow of the taillights and tailgate, creating a clean, sculpted finish. The use of high-quality materials gives the bumper durability against everyday wear, while the subtle chrome touches and dual exhaust outlets enhance the sporty aesthetic. This bumper doesn't just sit at the back of the SUV, it completes the Equinox's bold design language with confidence. On the back right side, the bumper showcases thoughtful engineering and design details. The corner curves slightly outward, helping protect the body panels from accidental scrapes or parking mishaps. Here you can also find integrated reflectors that increase visibility at night, ensuring safety in low-light conditions. The right side seamlessly accommodates parking sensors and driver assist radar systems, blending advanced technology into the SUV's design without drawing unnecessary attention. The textured lower portion adds durability, protecting against scratches from road debris while reinforcing the rugged SUV image. This area also ties into the wheel arch, emphasizing the Equinox's wide stance and giving the SUV a more planted look from behind. The back left side mirrors these design elements, maintaining symmetry while offering the same level of protection and style. Like the right, it includes safety reflectors and carefully positioned sensors that support features like rear cross-traffic alert and parking assistance. The left corner is equally sculpted to maintain the aerodynamic profile, reducing turbulence as air moves around the SUV. Subtle details, such as the integration of the skid plate and chrome trim, give the rear bumper a polished, upscale finish. For drivers who want functionality, this side also provides easy access to towing equipment or attachments, ensuring the Equinox is as practical as it is stylish. Altogether, the rear bumper of the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox SUV is a fine example of Chevrolet's commitment to blending safety, durability, and design. From the smooth central structure to the protective right and